Polite requests and offers. Mastering would. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to focus on the topic of politeness and would. Yes, that's right. We're going to explore how the modal verb would can be used to make our requests and offers sound more polite and courteous. Would is a modal verb that we often use in English when we want to sound more polite, especially when making requests or offers. It softens the tone and adds a level of formality that makes our language more respectful. Here's an example. Would you pass the salt, please? This sounds much more polite than simply saying, pass the salt. When we make a request using would, we usually follow this structure. Would plus you plus base form of the verb. Here are a few examples. Would you help me with this? Would you mind opening the window? Would you like some coffee? In each of these sentences, the use of would makes the request sound polite and respectful. We can also use would when we're making an offer. The structure is a bit different. I or we plus would plus base form of the verb. Check out these examples. I would carry that for you. We would like to offer you a discount. I would make dinner tonight. Each of these sentences sounds considerate and thoughtful because of the use of would. Now that we understand how to use would for politeness, let's practice. Try to convert these sentences to be more polite. 1. Can you lend me your pen? 2. I can pick you up at the airport. 3. You go first. Share your answers in the comments section, and let's learn together. And there you have it. By using would, you can make your requests and offers in English sound more polite and respectful. Remember, it's not just about the words we use, but also about how we use them. Thanks for watching today's lesson. Keep practicing and you'll master the use of would in no time. Until our next lesson, happy learning.